Well, y'all, this is Saturday, and I was hoping to take y'all tonight to watch and look at and sing while we were looking at Christmas lights. But it would appear that it's going to be a dreary, rainy day. Yep, rain's done set in. It's supposed to go throughout the remainder of the day and evening. But if we get a break in it, I'll try to give y'all notice and y'all all jump into focus. And we can give it a go. If not, there's always tomorrow night. And we still got a few days left before Christmas. Yep. Still got 7 days to go. So there'll be time. I just thought you all might be interested in how the weather looks. Right now it's just slight breeze, light rain, all's good in the neighborhood. We'll see how it progresses throughout the day and evening. And wherever y'all may be, I hope you are all safe, well, and happy with your friends and family too. Well, it's 3:22 in the afternoon, and it looks like it's about dark. Well, it is about dark, not in time, but cloud cover's so thick, the sun just can't make it through, or not much. And that's all we've had all day long, since about 11 today, is, constant small storm fronts sweeping across the southeast. From Texas through Louisiana, now Alabama into Georgia, and I'm sure they'll sweep on into the East Coast states if they haven't already. But so far, it's just been light to medium rain, nothing too severe. And I hope that's how your day's going wherever you are. Just some beneficial rain, some nice cool temperatures. I think it's 68. And we'll hope and we'll pray this is how it remains throughout the rest of our afternoon and all of y'all's and this evening. Well, if anything else of importance happens, I'll be sure to get back with y'all and show you what we got going on in the Deep South. Well, it's approaching 8 o'clock in the evening time here in the Deep South of Alabama. And you can probably hear the rain still falling. It's been that way all day. Started around 11 a.m. and it's been constant. For the most part, it's been light, medium rain. We've had a couple of storm fronts, sort of waves come past where it's got a little more intense, but nothing really remarkable. Now, we did lose power earlier in the day. One of those where it just glitched out, and then a minute later it come back on. I was thankful. And then a couple hours later, we lost it again. Yep, we surely did. And within a few minutes, I was starting to get worried. It came right back on. Because ever since I've lived here, we've had this thing. Go out once, come back on, no problem. Goes out again in a short time, uh-oh. Because we all know that live here. It goes out the third time, it's going to be a while. Don't know why that is, but the last time it did it, earlier in the year, in springtime, it took them 19 hours, nearly 20, to get it back on. Yep. Almost had to break out the generator. Yep, it would have been out another hour or so. The generator would have been humming away in the carport. I was going to get it out when I heard it come back on and the whine of the ACs start up. Nothing happened. The freezers will hold for 24 or more hours. I didn't open it. Didn't open the fridge either. We had gas to cook by, water out of the tap, and I got bottled water stored. Not a lot, but enough for me for, at least a week or two. And the Kitty Krew, of course. So I don't get crazy about it. There's plenty of water real close to me. Run out of water isn't a possibility. So yeah, it would appear we're going to have to postpone the Christmas light ride to another evening. We'll give it a go tomorrow night, if it's all clear. Because when it's raining like this, people are a little hesitant to turn on their lights anyway. Since it's all outdoors, people are a little skittish of electricity outdoors in the rain. But I do hope this is all you're seeing, wherever you may be, in this great country of ours. Or around the world, for that matter. Yep, just some sorely needed rain, some light breezes, and the quieting and calming sounds of the rain as it falls from the heavens above. Always reminds me of that song. You know the one. So my friends and family, I'm going to bid you a good evening and a good night. Sweet dreams to all. I'd tuck you in if I could. Put a glass of water on the nightstand, just in case you got thirsty throughout the night. Until we see you all on the next video, and you can't see me, and I can't see you, but I do know you're there. And we're all in each other's hearts and minds in this wonderful community that we all share here on YouTube. So y'all take care. Stay safe out there. And God bless you as you bless others. Goodbye and good night to all. Well, I'll give it that. The rain, it's peaceful. It settles the nerves when it's this way. And I pray that's the way it stays throughout the night.